broccoli, we got skewers, we got asparagus, we got grilled onions, and we got chuck sticks.
Got squash, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Hold on, man. Try to get away. That thing still living, man.
That thing rolling.
Yeah.
YouTube, y'all see who I got in the house. I got Grizz in the house. I got Lace in the house again. Of course, as you see, we're doing something a little different. We're gonna do some cooking on the pit boss today. Guess what? Grizz gonna be in charge today. I'm not even gonna touch it today. Y'all see what we got here. We got those nice shrimp, those nice scallops. Look like we got some sea scallops, not no bay scallops. We got the big ones. The gunjas. Y'all know we like the gunja stuff. Then we got some old vegetables over here. So we're not just doing meat, we're doing vegetables too. Lacey has seasoned them. Grizz has probably seasoned them. I think Lacey just doing the skewering. She got some lemon pepper, Lowry's, y'all. I mean, these are all the marinades. We giving y'all all the secrets. Y'all want good food, just keep following Fellas and Family Outdoors. All right, and then we got that J.O. seasoning, y'all. I mean, it's gonna be lemonade. Lemonade, like lemonade, baby. And we're gonna have a little spice on it with that J.O. So y'all keep on checking it out. We're gonna show y'all how those things look on the pit boss. Y'all watch it. Citrus is very good for seafood, so we're gonna see how it comes out today. Y'all stay tuned. What you doing with the onions?
I'm spraying my onions with some vinegar, season it with salt and pepper and some butter.
All right. That's going on the grill too, huh?
Yes, it is.
All right, what you got going on now, Grizz?
We got some chuck sticks on here, man. We're gonna see what they hitting for.
All right. Like you got it seasoned and marinated real good.
Yes, sir.
All right. I see you got them on. Got your potato up there.
That's actually asparagus.
Oh, excuse me, sir. Asparagus. Asparagus, all right? And then we got that onion.
Yes, sir.
That onion do what it do. So listen, y'all. It's gonna be some good cooking and some good eating around here. Y'all stay tuned. Listen, we got the pellets full. You ain't had to worry about running out of pellets, baby. You ready? Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. We got our vegetables on. We got squash, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Hold on, man. Try to get away. That thing still living, ain't it?
That thing rolling.
Hey.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
They're like the Goodyear.
Yeah.
Michelin.
Good tread on them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you got them up there. Got them going.
Got some squash. I mean, come on,
Yeah,
right out the garden.
Look.
Oh yeah. Look. Yeah, that's pretty good.
It's all right right there.
Pretty work. And that tuck steak looking pretty good too. There,
Oh man, yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, so we got a few more minutes.
Okay.
Make sure everything on this side getting done. This side asparagus right here. You see how?
Oh yeah, see me tenderoni.
Woo.
Okay.
They got our onion right here.
All right.
You got our onions
That's
in
some
there.
sweet onion. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Smelling good too. I wish y'all had that smell-o-vision, but I tell y'all what, that asparagus there, that's gonna be like Michael Jackson say, PYT.
Yes, sir.
Pretty young thing. Tender. She can do tenderoni.
That's a tenderoni. Yeah, man, we got that going. I turned it down a little bit so my steaks don't get overcooked.
I see.
And then last thing we'll throw on there is gonna be some shrimp and some scallops.
Okay.
And on the skewers, and it'll be time to eat after that.
Won't take long. All right. Juicy. She moist.
Yes, sir. Get these things over here, man, so they can rest. Getting hot. Got good color on them. Gonna have good flavor on them.
Oh yeah, she coming apart there. Got little medallions right there. Them filet mignon.
McNaughton.
Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty there.
You see that smoke? No, it ain't no joke.
Please believe. All right, we done got the turf. Now we're going to the surf.
Got your shrimp. Got you some bell pepper, mushroom.
Straight out the garden.
Yes, sir. Same thing on that one, but these right here, this is shrimp and scallops, baby.
Scallops.
Yes, Lord.
Won't be long on them, y'all. Seafood doesn't take long.
About 5 minutes, they be ready.
Skewers.
Yes, sir. Got that flame open.
It won't be long.
It won't be long. Gotta turn these things over, man. Oh yeah.
The color you want.
Oh yeah. It's hot now. Tried to grab it with my hand a second ago. I know. Yeah. I don't want to go to hell. In a hot place.
Not for me.
That makes more sense.
There you go.
Oh,
There you go.
You get it after a while. I thought.
A little light skin.
Yeah, they're a little light skin. Just a little bit more color on them. A little more melanin.
Yeah.
About 2-3 minutes, everything ready to come up off of here.
All right. Y'all see what's going on here. We got baked potato. We got broccoli. We got skewers. We got asparagus. We got grilled onions, and we got chuck steaks. I mean, we get ready to dine sufficiently. Of course, nobody's gonna eat all of this food today, but it will get eaten. We're gonna eat what we can, and we're gonna put it up, and we're gonna do what we do. But y'all know what this is. You had grilling with Grizz today.
Yeah.
And guess what? Here we go. This is Feathers and Family Outdoors. Y'all take care of yours.